what's one hack or habit that has helped you beat procrastination?
I'm gonna make a list. Okay, these are the topics I have. I'll check my syllabus, I'll check my books, I'll collect my books, and then start the topic.
I'll turn my phone on flight mode and I'll start a stopwatch. Write down all the tasks I need to do. I complete a topic, I'll tick it. That hack really works for me.
Give your phone to your parents. That's the only thing you can do to study.
What's your record for scrolling reels before starting a task?
4 hours, 30 minutes. Maximum.
I break my record every day, I guess. My average is 8 to 9 hours.
Definitely can relate to it. Like I had to study, but phone उठाया, Insta scroll किया, काम गया. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Beyond the Classroom series by Chitkara University. I am Sheena Mazad, Miss India first runner-up, and I'm so excited to meet 3 new students of Chitkara University today for the episode. So here we have with us today Deepika, Arshia and Garvit. So let's start with...
Hi, I'm Deepika and I'm a student of BSc Nursing 3rd year. And I'm super excited to meet you today. Hi everyone, my name is Arshia Sharma. I'm doing Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science. I'm in my 3rd year right now and I'm beyond thrilled to be here.
Great.
Hello, my name is Garvit Pava and I'm currently pursuing BE in Computer Science and I'm very happy to be a part of this and I hope so कि बहुत मजा आएगा आज दिन.
I guess Thomasly. So any guesses about the topic today?
It is about the things we should do but we are not doing right now.
Yeah, so what do we call that?
Procrastination.
Right. So do you ever procrastinate something about your passion? Like,
I don't think so, not really, because I feel it's when it comes about passion. Like, I am a state basketball player and basketball is very therapeutic to me. So I guess I can never procrastinate on that. It's always something that I'm eager and thrilled to do. Every time it's my basketball matches, so I'll be the first one to wake up and I'll wake my parents up that उठ जाओ मेरा आज class है. So I'm beyond thrilled for that. I'll never.
so basketball is your passion?
Yes, it is.
So you don't procrastinate on basketball?
No, I don't. Never.
In case of my passion, I don't think so कि I procrastinate on very daily basis. Rarely I procrastinate. I'm into writing, I'm into theatre, and I'm into cinema. I really love cinema. So when it comes to like I have to write some songs or like poetries or something like that, so I never procrastinate. Like sometimes if I'm not well या फिर mood नहीं है kind of thing, like very rarely, so I procrastinate.
Is this true?
No, this is true.
I feel like I'm like the peak procrastinator here because I love books, but it has been 3 months since I've touched my last book, and I love an author like Anna Huang, but she just released a book and I haven't read it. You haven't read it. It's like sad for me. You should read it after this podcast, definitely.
So you symbol.
Yeah, I started the Belja Sylvia Plath, but I couldn't complete it.
Okay, nice. So like tell me an excuse that you have given to justify procrastination. Any excuse, like we do that.
For me, I have this personal myth that I abide by all the time, that I can't start studying at random timings like 3:19 or 9:18. I can't do that. So it has to be, yes, it has to be perfectly on dot, like 3:30, 4:30. And if I miss that, I'll be like, चलो बाद में ही पढ़ते हैं अब तो.
So you give excuses.
I tell myself that I'm like super intelligent and everything I study is just basic biology. जो बच्चे को भी आती होगी. So I'm like कल करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. AH नहीं तो ST में आएगा तो.
Yes, I'm a narcissist. कह सकते कल तो. Guys, I mean like you all like make excuses, right?
Yes.
In my case, my excuse is that like before starting anything, like any task, I need to refresh my mind. I need to power myself. So I need to sleep. So first of all,
That's an excuse.
so first of all, I'll scroll reels like for many hours and then I'll watch a series or like listen to music or something like that. And after that, I'm like, ki, now I need to focus. Now I need to focus on this. And then I said, ki, okay, you need to refresh your mind. So I sleep for some hours. So after that, like when I wake up, so I'm like, ki, okay, now you need energy. तो पहले कुछ खाते हैं. So then I go to YouTube, high protein recipes. इसी में then I make something and like वो खाने के बाद I am like okay, let's do this. और तब तक exam का times.
So when I was back in college, so like I am used to make excuses. My excuse is only that I have time. I believe कि मेरे पास अभी time है. तो अगर कल एग्जाम है तो मैं सोचती हूँ कल का दिन है यार, सो दैट इज एन एक्सक्यूज फॉर मी कि
Everybody does that, yes.
सो बट व्हेन द लास्ट मोमेंट कम मैं कल भी नहीं पढ़ूंगी, बट व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी वाज कि सुबह उठ के 5 बजे ही पढ़ूंगी एंड द एग्जाम वाज लाइक 9 बजे शुरू हो रहा है एग्जैक्टली, सो 5 बजे ही पढ़ना है. सो आई यूज्ड टू मेक एक्सक्यूज हियर आई कैन डू इट, आई नो आई कैन डू इट, मैं सुबह भी पढ़ लूंगी ना 2 घंटे तो आई विल मग अप. सो दैट वाज माय लाइक दिस excuse which I used to make.
Everybody does that, I guess. We have that one shot videos 2 hours ki Java se pad lo and we are done with it. We are done with our studies.
So tell me something about like which you don't procrastinate on. Anything
like I told that I don't procrastinate when it comes to my passion. Like if somebody says me to make a reel or like write a story, write a poetry, or maybe a song, you know. So I don't procrastinate in it. Very rarely I do it. Very rarely.
okay, so for your passion you are like very strict that you have to do that and you can.
It's not just about strict, it's about the love we have for that. And we love doing it. It makes us feel good. Academics, it's not. It's stressful for it. But like I said, basketball is therapeutic. So I can still right now go and play basketball. I love basketball.
So yeah, it is good that you know you should do what you love. I obviously you cannot procrastinate on that when you love things. Definitely like so. This great.
For me, it's food and cafes. I mean that I had my interview for like a really good core member post in DebSoc, but my friends बोलते कल संग चलते हैं. I'm like, okay, let's go. I'm waiting ready. So that's pressing up, going outside. Yes. So a lot is basically dressing up and going to cafes and clicking pictures. And उसमें पढ़ाई नहीं आती ज़्यादा. And we enjoy that.
Same
Definitely go then someday.
definitely same case, but we call it toughery कि मतलब 5-6 बजे और like कल एग्जाम है, but like friend called और like कि बाहर चलें, घूमने चलें, चाय पीने चलें. Like okay bro, चलते हैं ना, क्या है, अभी चल.
Yeah. So obviously
Friends is also something we would not procrastinate.
Never.
Going out, having fun, shopping. I guess you can
Like-
relate to that.
do you have you know when sometimes some friend asks you like let's go out and you don't feel like, then you procrastinate on them. So there are friends, I believe you cannot hang around with all of your friends. Yep.
It's not about friends, it's about that energy उस time पे. It's like social.
No, but then there are particular friends also, no? कि इसके साथ जाने का मन नहीं है, maybe we can procrastinate.
Say that here.
I have a friend that like kind of drains my social battery and I'm like उसको just अपना avoid कर. So I used to do that because I had friends, few limited friends only, but they were friends like I used to procrastinate on कि नहीं यार इसके साथ नहीं जाना. Rather I would sleep at home, you know. I would go do something else. So that is like it is okay. So also tell me something like do you think procrastinating is bad or it is sometimes productive also?
It's productive for me. Trust me. I mean, I call it productive procrastination.
Wow. I learned a new word today.
See, पढ़ाई करनी है, पता है पढ़ाई करनी है, but I cannot do that. So सच में रूम क्लीन कर लेती हूँ ना, एक्सरसाइज कर लेती हूँ, वर्कअप कर लेती. That's like रात को 2 बजे बॉडी डिस्मॉर्फिया या OCD जागा है मेरा, तो मैं कुछ अच्छा ही कर लेती हूँ. I have OCD.
Yes, yes.
Now I don't have OCD, but you know, like I get this. एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले रात को 2 बजे वही अर्ज की just clean the whole table, clean the whole wardrobe वैसे बोला. I guess I can relate to a lot of it because for me, just to give my self-esteem a little, you know, that I say that if I'm scrolling social media also and I'll be scrolling social media for 1 hour straight and I'll feel so much guilty that after that I'll study 1 hour straight. I'll not watch my phone and anything. So basically social media helped me. You can take it that way.
Not at all. Like it never helps me. I'll scroll social media and after that I'll say कि अब तो बहुत हो गया, अब तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. नहीं अब तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. लेकिन तब तक like it's 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. So I'm like कि भाई like nothing is superior to your routine. You have to fix your routine first. So what's the first step to fix your routine? You have to sleep.
So that everything we excuse them or to sleep. So you have to procrastinate everything. कुछ भी करना है तो you sleep.
नहीं, not in every case, but कभी-कभी होता है कि I'll just play some songs और मैं बहुत तेज गाने लग जाऊंगा 2 घंटे और उसके बाद फिर
But after that you'll sleep.
obviously like
Gym जाने के बाद I'm gonna sleep. या ऐसा कुछ.
नहीं जिम जाने के बाद नहीं उसके बाद तो हम like कि पोस्ट वर्कआउट में लूंगा.
Okay, so social media versus assignment. What would you choose and why?
social media
and what wins actually. Especially always wants like, but I don't assignments. I'll tell you now, I don't want to study a disease condition that's like creepy and not creepy. That's like really gross or something. I can just watch a funny video. I can watch stand-up comedy, or I can watch my favorite web series. I was like, but you can miss your assignment for that. Yeah, I'll just delay. And when you finish that, ek raat pehle.
But I guess social media for me, I am actually into digital marketing and I'm handling social medias of different companies. So it's like social media is my work. So even if my mom is asking that, Arsha, ab to padhai kar liye, you're watching your phone only. And I'm like, Mummy, main kaam hi kar rahi hu apna. This is my work. So even if I want to not see social media, it's my work and I have to see it. So that is something.
And in my case, like social media, like I also write content for like pages and like for brand. So you have to see a lot of videos to take reference, like how the trend is going on and all that stuff. So I also find sometimes that this social media is
An excuse.
nah.
You have a lot of excuses for procrastinating. Your sleeves, your social media, so you don't want to complete your assignments also.
Okay.
One more thing happens when you're on social media.
It's I scroll social media and I see models and like obviously real influencers and all. I see, yeah, they're so fit and they're so gorgeous, and I'm like skincare करते हैं, workout करते हैं, उसमें चले जाओ फिर 2 घंटे में. Nice. And you also said that you have work on social media, so you leave your assignment for that, and yeah, social media wins. Social media. Do you think that you should give time to your assignments also? We should, and we do.
But I feel like it's become a habit right now. Procrastination has become a habit. So maybe won't get that fear, we won't get that pressure na end tak. I don't think we'll ever find the importance of that particular task.
It's like the new norm, जो
Yes.
ने इसे adapt कर लिया.
I mean, it's just for our mind also, but yeah.
So how do you feel about like procrastinating? Has it ever changed something in your mind, or like you have improved, like you should not procrastinate or something?
I guess right now being in our third year, which is a very important year for us, we have it's an exam tomorrow, and we're doing this right now.
Procrastinate.
Yeah. So we'll study after this definitely. We'll make that promise to you. But I guess we have to get serious. It's our final. We'll get our internships next year only.
Next semester.
Next semester,
Yeah.
kind of. So it's like we have to start studying. So procrastination has to be not to be a part of this, and we have to complete our assignments now.
I feel like procrastination teaches me how to work under pressure. And that's something really important for my
That's
career.
wise.
Because I'm going to be a nurse and I'm going to work 12-hour shifts, and obviously I'm not going to see very simple patients. So I'm going to learn. I want to be a researcher. So some like changes procrastination has brought in you, like what do you feel?
रात को एक रात पहले अगर मैं फार्माकोलॉजी पढ़ के सारी डिसीजेस के मेडिसिन याद करके क्लासिफिकेशन याद करके मैं पेपर अच्छा दे सकती हूँ. आई फील लाइक अगर एक रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन आएगी या रियल लाइफ स्टिमुलेशन आएगा तो आई कैन हैंडल इट अच्छे से. यू रियलाइज कि अगर मैं अच्छे से पढ़ लूँ सो आई कैन डू इट. नो नॉट अच्छे से, बट आई फील लाइक प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन से प्रेशर क्रिएट हो गया ना, तो उस प्रेशर में मुझे काम करना आ गया, स्ट्रेस में. Yes, I feel pressure, and it has really taught us for me when it was my boards in 12th class. I got very low marks in my pre-boards,
Okay.
and I had only 5 days to study, and then our boards would start. And at that 5 days, hey, you love it.
Sorry.
That 5 days, I studied a lot. I did not procrastinate for even a single second. I had a story to tell. Yes, I see. कुछ याद आ गया. So I did not procrastinate, and from a very low score, I got like 80 or something. For me, it was huge just studying for 5 days.
So your low score was?
80.
No.
From 80.
From very low score to 80.
Okay. I get it. So you have to say something.
Okay, so in my first year, like everyone was doing something. Okay, I joined the theater group, and I was like कि okay, like we have to explore our dimensions कि आपका creative दिमाग कैसे काम करता है and all that stuff. So first year खत्म हुआ, and like I just opened LinkedIn and I was like कि people are making projects, people are winning hackathons. मैंने कहा, अब कुछ करूँगा, अब कुछ करूँगा, अब कुछ करूँगा.
LinkedIn is very bad. I get very bad from traumatic experience watching LinkedIn and everybody's achievement, and I'm like, मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रही हूँ.
तो मैंने घर वालों को बोल दिया कि आप इस साल देखो आपका बेटा लाइक आई विल डू समथिंग लाइक एपिक कि वो भी उन्होंने भी कहा हाँ देखते हैं. तो मैंने कोर्स करा और कोर्स करने के बाद ना लाइक मतलब दे लाइक मैं लाइक अंकल इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर सो ही टोल्ड मी टू मेक अ वेरी सिंपल प्रोग्राम. और वो कोर्स करने के बाद जब मैं मीट पे बैठा प्रोग्राम बनाने तो मैंने कहा कि मेरे से तो नहीं हो रहा ये. मैंने कहा कि मैं तो नहीं कर पा रहा, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दिस.
Last moment, if you have to do some changes, वो बहुत easily हो भी जाते हैं theater or something like.
नो लाइक काफ़ी कन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज हमारा लाइक जो रिसेंट प्ले था उसके अंदर वी हैव 7 फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स एंड एट द एंड वी हैव टू कट द सीन. तो वो सातों की सातों जिनको मैं लाइक आई वाज लाइक दे वर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द रोल और एंड में बहुत कन्फ्लिक्ट हो गया कि ये क्या तरीका है, ऐसे थोड़ी. बट हाँ हमने उनको किसी तरीके से फिर एडजस्ट करा तो बहुत दिक्कत हो गई. हमने रोल में हमें घुसाना पड़ा किसी तरीके से लाइक टू है ना कि उन्होंने भी मेहनत करी है लाइक फॉर दैट.
Like if I tell you my story, so I believe कि मैंने जो procrastination अपने साथ करी है इतने चीज़ों में, तो अगर मैंने नहीं की होती जो जहाँ मैं अभी हूँ I would have been there 5 years back. So I believe that you should not procrastinate. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि you cannot procrastinate. I really want to work hard and you should not because you know a standard and achievement you attain at a certain age वो हमें लगता है कि वो हमें पहले मिल गई होती है अगर हमने procrastinate नहीं किया होता.
So I guess this is a very important year for us, especially for us.
Exactly.
And we have to start. I mean, I have started a bit because tomorrow is our exam. And for the first time ever, I did study. Even if we had this today, I practiced for this as well, but I also studied for 1 hour. Even if it was for 1 hour, but I studied. So I guess, धीरे slowly, we have to get serious.
मैं भी सिलेबस देख के आया हूँ मतलब रात को.
At some point of time, you know, you have to be vigorous enough and you cannot skip things always.
Yes.
So you learn this when as you grow and as you get into the corporate field, you feel like यार कि ये पहले ऐसा कर दे होता तो अच्छा होता.
True.
So अभी college and school life is like procrastinating only. यहाँ पे सब करते ही हैं.
Yes, we even hear from our seniors who've got their internship and the one who haven't still, they're like, पढ़ ले अर्षा, you have to study DSA, study the core subjects, then only you will get it. Otherwise, you won't tell you.
Yeah, that this is the right
time.
So tell me, like, does deadlines stress you or it like motivates you?
It motivates me. Like, हाँ, it does motivate me यार कि बस अब तो काम करना ही पड़ेगा. अभी तो कभी नहीं. फिर वो thing आ जाती है ना. But do you actually complete before the deadlines?
Yes. I am like the leader when it comes to group works. And मेरा जो पूरा group है, it's gonna rely on me कि oh, Deepika is gonna create the, like we have role plays. Okay.
Which is like a stimulation. Like we are going to be the patient, we are going to be the nurse, we are going to be the doctor, and we are going to perform a scenario. Like be it the cardiac arrest. तो हमने ऐसे perform करना है. Patient will, the student is going to pretend कि हाँ, he is getting a cardiac arrest, and we are going to do our task according to our job. So I am the one who's going to create the whole script. Okay, you are going to be this, you're going to be this, you're going to be this. And फिर I tell them कि हाँ ऐसे करना है और वो सारा काम मेरे पे ही होता है. And I'm like ठीक है मेरे पास deadlines है. फिर मेरे like doing that. I don't like it. But it's like a responsibility. Okay.
So that is why it doesn't stress us.
It doesn't motivate. It's motivates.
Because you have a responsibility at the end and you feel like it keeps you motivated.
I feel like कि मेरे साथ जो ये कर नहीं सकता तो मैं कर ही देती हूँ ना.
Good. What about you?
I guess, like I said in social media, making reels or any content reels, even if we have deadlines for that in my internship, I don't think I'll procrastinate on that because this is something I like, this is something fun and my passion. So deadlines won't scare me in that. I would actually complete on time. But if it comes to studying academics, I get very scared and I feel the pressure. So sometimes it happens that I miss the deadlines, but mostly I try to complete it before the deadlines only. But it does scare me and it does.
How many times have you missed the deadlines?
A lot of time. Trust me, a lot of time. Like, I didn't used to do it in school, but in college, so I have. But not in third year. I'm starting. I have a good start in third year, but before, so yeah, I have started a fresh start. That from here, I'll study. I'll study very hard and I'll get a good job.
I do this every year, okay? So, So deadlines neither like stress me out or like nor they motivates me. Like I'm like कि हो जाएगा. I'm like this like
You're neutral with the
I'm
situation.
neutral with the situation, and I'm always the person who is responsible for presenting the project. So I'm like कि तुम बना लो, present की tension मत लो. I have a lot of confidence. जो बोलना होगा मैं बोल दूंगा. So और हर बार और like in every evaluation I got the highest marks. मैंने like I have not even touched the project. I did nothing for it. But like my like
So-
the teacher asked me question and I am very confident कि मैम ऐसे हुआ और like और मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ी सी रिसर्च करके चला जाता हूँ one day before.
Okay.
और मैं उसके बारे में सोच जाता हूँ कि मैम this point like the JavaScript
Crack the points.
I mean the point and जो बाकी जिन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया होता है they are looking at my face कि यार ये क्या पढ़ाया ये तो आया भी नहीं क्लास में काफी टाइम हो गया and I always got the highest marks.
Yeah, so like you're neutral with the situation. So I am, if I talk about myself, so deadline used to scare me. Like I get very scared कि यार ये deadline है, and I make sure कि deadline से भी एक दिन पहले मेरा काम हो जाए.
Wow.
Because I don't like last moment hassles, and I've seen that a lot. Earlier I used to do this कि deadline कोई बात नहीं यार क्या ही है क्या ही है. I used to be very chill and relaxed कि ठीक है यार हो जाएगा. But then I realized later with time and getting into professional life, फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार डेडलाइन से पहले ही काम हो जाए तो अच्छा है, एंड देन इट मोटिवेट्स मी ऑल्सो. मुझे डर भी लगता है बट इट मोटिवेट्स मी कि मुझे पहले ही कर देना है. सो वाई फियर.
But मतलब sometimes like मेरा तो एक productive phase आता है जिसके अंदर I'm working like so much in a day. I'm very productive in those days. और उसके अंदर तो फिर डेडलाइन वगैरह क्या मैं उसमें हम काम ही कर रहा हूँ मैं तो वो हो जाता है अपने आप बिफोर डेडलाइन. Productive phase कभी कभी आता है बीच में.
So have you ever lost an opportunity due to procrastination?
Yeah.
I have lost a very important opportunity. So as I said, as I've been talking about basketball, so I used to study in a school that was in Panchkula. So over there, you have to go into different levels. Like first you'll play district, then you'll go zonal, then state, then nationals. But if we study in a UT, Union Territory, any school over there, then you'll get directly into nationals. So I changed my school from in 11th and 12th I did it in a school which was in Chandigarh.
Okay.
So and it paid off. I did it exactly, and the sole reason for me to change the school was because of basketball, and that paid off. I became the captain of under 17 basketball team of my school, and under my captaincy we won the second prize in UT.
How nice.
Yes.
So how long are you into basketball?
I am since 6th class, I guess, 5th or 6th class. It's been more than 10 years. So it paid off and I got selected. Like I was the captain and I knew for sure that I'll get selected for national because I had the highest score as well. But what happened after boards, my phone was not working. So my dad was like, let's just get you a new phone. And my old phone, I had sent it for repairing. And then Papa used to tell me कि अर्षा लेके आ जा, अब तो बहुत टाइम हो गया है, फोन तो ठीक हो गया होगा. And I'm like, Papa, I procrastinated. मैं फोन नहीं लेकर आई. And it was like 10 minutes from my home. And I was also being kind of greedy, like कि 2 दिनों में तो आ ही जाएगा मेरा new phone, so why bother getting that phone? And in those 2 days, I get a call and a message from my coach that you have been selected for nationals and you should come. And I missed that. And the day I saw that message was the day it was actually happening, and I saw it later and I lost it. I lost my opportunity, the only reason why I changed my school. So that was completely devastating.
Regretted.
I'll
that
regret.
you have not
Yeah.
done this. So how you felt really bad?
I
How
felt
did you
really
overcome with that?
I mean, I still think about it, but it gives me a reminder that it's not the big things in your life and the big steps you take change, but it's the small things that you're always procrastinating on. Those things really become important at the end of the day.
Yeah, sometimes these small steps, they make a huge difference.
Yes.
Like, so you skip a small thing even, so you never know.
I learned it the hard way. I
So it is
definitely.
hard ways.
I have not really lost an opportunity, like because I'll obviously get it next year. No, it's like my club का
Just confident enough.
not really, but yeah. We have adjudicators when it comes to APDs. I'm into debating, so Asian Parliamentary Debate Format, and we have adjudicators where they judge. There's a chair and they judge the debates. So I'm in a society, DIPSOC, debating society. So we got the chance to, get into the core members, the interview and stuff. So they send the task कि आप ये task करो, you're gonna watch this video and you're gonna answer the questions. अब हुआ क्या, वो 5 दिन पहले आया था, but मैंने last day पे apply किया प्रेसिडेंट से बात करके कि I wanna do the adjudicator stuff, and she's like, I'll give you the task, but you only have 7 hours for that. And I'm like, other people got 5 days, yeah, 2 to 3 days, but I got 7 hours. पहले तो यही बैकलैश हो गया कि ओके टाइम ही नहीं है. सेकेंड, मैं ट्रैवल करी थी यहाँ से मोहाली, बिकॉज मैं पीजी रहती थी तब. सो आई ट्रैवल्ड एंड उस टाइम पे आई वाज वाचिंग वीडियो वाइल ट्रैवलिंग एंड कर रही थी रिसर्च अपने टाइम के लिए. बट मेरे फ्रेंड्स बोलते कैफ़े चलते हैं एंड मैं कैफ़े चली गई एंड रात को लाइक 11 बजे डेडलाइन में 10 बजे घर में.
मैंने ऐसा कर दी नोट्स.
आई थॉट दिस वुड बी अ वेरी सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड इट
I missed that opportunity but
Because
I
you
hated
went to a
this year
cafe.
as well. So
but you were like कि अगले साल मिल जाएगा क्या इस साल ट्राई कर ले. Because I feel like I don't have enough time to be in the club because मेरा career and जो मेरे जो है ना, it's like 3 months hospital and 3 months college. It's difficult to attend even the simple events. So adjudicator बनना is a really big thing, getting in the core.
I've missed like many interviews like this, and later I used to regret कि जब मैं देखती थी कि यार ये position तो किसी और को ही मिल गई है, and I was like shit यार, why didn't I go? So yeah, and why I skipped was very stupid reason. मतलब you know, कभी interview सुबह 9 बजे है तो I wanted to sleep. It was a stupid reason. It was like we go so early yaar, come on. And it happened many times, like I got many opportunities but I missed them due to my comfort zone कि नहीं यार थोड़ा सा और comfort है, ठीक है.
So once I wrote a stand up and like I performed it in a book club, and it was like you can perform your art, and like it was not a like paid stand up, okay. So I performed there, and after that I just applied for a like competition, and in round one I was selected. Okay. But when it was the time for the second round, I was like I was procrastinating ki I'll do it later, I'll prepare it later. And then on that day I was not able to reach on time, like because I just didn't sleep, and like I just prepared it before like an hour before or something. So after that I took a power nap, and I was not able to reach there.
Power nap was like necessary for it.
Yeah, it is yeah, it is really necessary for really.
So you missed that opportunity.
Yeah, I missed
You
that
you
opportunity.
regret it?
Yeah, I regret it a lot. Well,
Long
because when I saw the videos, all the people are performing there, and I was like, I could win this. Like,
That's, I guess, the most thing you regret, that even if I talked about my basketball, I did not lose that opportunity because I wasn't good enough. It was because of procrastination, and that thing hurt even.
getting trust. So it even gives you a dilemma sometimes, you know, and you cannot come out of that very soon.
But I guess we learned a lesson. Like the guilt is excuse.
But we learned the lesson, but still we continue with gaslighting. You know, like I see myself. I've learned a lot of lessons in my life, but still I do the same things again and again. I even know the result, but then you know. And so what's one hack or habit that has actually helped you beat procrastination?
बहुत अच्छी वाले. Like, I do this thing that if I have a task and I have to do it, yeah, suppose I'm supposed to study for an exam. I'm gonna make a list. Ki, okay, these are the topics I have, and these are the subtopics, and I'm gonna create a checklist. Ki, okay, this, and I'll just start checking from my mail. Like I'll check my mails, I'll check my syllabus, I'll check my books, I'll collect my books, and then start the topic. I'll see सबसे छोटा topic कौन सा है, and I'll start the topic. And the best one is like, I create a playlist. I create a playlist for like subject. Like अगर मुझे AHN पढ़ना है, if I have to study like, so I'm gonna create a playlist which will contain Blackpink or Doja Cat or Taylor Swift. Like that hype of like
you watch that while studying.
I listen to music. So I use what you relate the like. Yeah, it gives me the main character energy, no? So I love that. I'm like, okay, it's fun.
I need pin drop silence when I'm studying. I can't listen to any music. कोई शोर भी कर रहा हो मैं, I shout at them, "बे बस करो, मुझे पढ़ने दो." Just
I've
leave
been
inside
a
of me.
very bad habit of like, you know, watching TV and studying. Like even if I was studying,
how is it even possible?
I don't know. Just that.
How is it?
And can you imagine what I used to watch? Cartoon. Which was your favorite cartoon? Tom and Jerry and
Same.
Shin Chan. No. Mine was low to do that always. Like the TV was on all the time, and my mother used to yell at me that what do you do all the time? You don't study, you're just watching. You know, I'm studying. So मेरा एक ध्यान TV पे, एक ध्यान मेरा books पे है, but it was fun and I still do that. Like I don't study now. Every time my TV is on and I'm working, like
You're watching cartoons? Oh, still cartoons.
yeah, I have my earphones on like 24/7 and कुछ ना कुछ बज रहा होता है उसका.
The
You know, it is a habit. Like some people have that. Like you know, I enjoy having food while watching TV only. अगर TV ना लगा, I cannot have
Same.
True. And even I cannot sleep. Like even if the TV, I keep the
You
TV
love
on.
TV.
Yeah, I love TV because it's been like I stay alone, so I don't have anybody at home. So TV is my only companion. I get up, I have to make my breakfast, I cook myself. So TV, music, and then I do some exercise. Then again TV, music. I have to do some work. Then Cartoon Network. I love it. The TV habit is not like completely true for me, but I have my laptop and I'm gonna put on a K-drama that I'm currently watching. Yeah, go Netflix the movie, and I'll have my food prepared on on the table, but I'll not start eating until कोई show ना play हो रहा हो. Okay.
But for me, the most habit that has worked, and I guess it will work for everybody, give your phone to your parents. That's the only thing you can do to study. Because एक notification बजती है and you are just like, किसका message आया है? So I used to give my phone to my parents. आप रखो. Don't give it to me. Even if I ask, don't give it to me for 2-3 hours. And then I used to study. Because phone is not there, so there's a tension. This in starting you do have a tension कि भाई phone चाहिए, but after a certain while, and if you lose this 2-3 times, you will lose that too. You will get used to it. Yes.
In my case, I'll just I'll turn my phone on flight mode and I'll start a stopwatch. Okay, so when I'll write down all the tasks I need to do, I'll stick it to my desk, and after that I complete a topic, I'll take it, and whenever I get a urge to pick up my phone, I'll see the stopwatch कि अभी मुझे इतना ही time हुआ है, मैंने अभी
It's really nice.
हाँ, that hack really works for me. Like
That reminds me, I used to record myself a time lapse. I used to record a time lapse of me studying. And I used to study for 20, 25, whatever minutes. And I used to watch that video. And I used to be, wow, मैं कितनी अच्छी लग रही हूँ पढ़ते हुए. And then I used to study more. So that's also, because phone also it's kept, you can't watch the phone, but you're studying as well. And then you rewatch and you feel motivated.
That keeps you motivated.
Yes.
Right. But it feels like external. If we have an external factor motivating us, like the challenges that come on Instagram, कि I'll study till the ice melts, yeah, till the candle back melts. Have you seen that?
no,
I've seen that. Yeah, when it's met. And there's a meme that
It's kind of a timer thing.
Yes, like जब तक ice melt नहीं होगी, you're gonna study, and उसको you can do anything you want. So उसके लिए it needs a different level of dedication. I don't think
तो 6 hours straight.
something different.
Candle
I've never heard of.
yeah.
So, what if procrastination had a face? How would it look or sound like to you?
like a friend who's like ऐसा chill करते हैं, but जब when the thing getting really hectic, he'll be like ghost you, or he'll be like, oh मुझे क्या पता कर ले खुद.
That's a true, relatable also.
For me, I love the movie Jab We Met, and I love the character Geet. So for me, procrastination is like that, unbothered, carefree, and doing what you want, and having that thought, मैं तो अपनी favorite हूँ, and मैं best हूँ, and मैं तो कर ही लूँगी at then जाके. So Geet from Jab We Met is the face of my procrastination.
That's it's cool.
I don't have any character, but I have a friend who's जब उस
Like procrastination.
who is like procrastination. Like उसे कुछ भी बोलो कि let's go outside or let's play some game. हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे ना. Like मैं नहीं, अभी कर रहे हैं.
जल्दी है.
हाँ, he's like अभी कर रहे हैं. And मैं कहा भाई कि मतलब कुछ तो करो तो.
And there's always a friend character like procrastination. He has that.
He defines procrastination.
Okay, so next we come to the rapid fire round. Okay, so let's start with that. So, would you rather clean your entire house or you would do an assignment?
Do an assignment? That's like easy task.
Neither.
I'll clean my house, Pasha.
What's your go-to line when you're clearly avoiding work?
हो जाएगा, इतनी क्या जल्दी है? बाद में ही कर लेती हूँ मैं तो.
अभी मन नहीं है.
Okay, so you usually do this or there's something else also?
I usually do this.
Yes, usually I'm like,
How-
बाद में हो कर ही
कर
कर ही सकते हैं.
What's the silliest thing you have done instead of starting a task?
Wearing a sari. रात को 3 बजे.
Bro, Oh,
Yes. Starting making dance read at 3 a.m. Okay, so what made you wear a sari? You can extent of starting a task. I just wanted, click some अच्छी pictures. रात के 3 बजे because रात को 3 बजे पे reflection देखो mirror में and you like
You get very wild ideas at 3 a.m.
exactly.
Yes, we do.
I was like कि यार I look so good मेरे बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं. दिन में नहीं लगते रात को 3:30 लगे तो
We try every new experiment at 3 a.m.
I start posing in the front of mirror कि आज बन तो रहा है तो मजा आ रहा है फोटो खींच लेते हैं तो
we also do it at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what is this 3 a.m. thing? Our generation is like doomed to stay up late at night. We are cursed with.
I'm most
Late nights.
productive after 12 a.m.
Yes.
So, what's your record for scrolling reels before starting a task?
I break my record every day, I guess.
Definitely can relate to it. Like, I had to study, but phone uthaya, Insta scroll kiya, काम गया.
So, how many times do you scroll Insta a day? Like,
It's like infinity. I can just say infinity.
well, unhealthy at a point, you will see a screen time. It's 10 to 12 hours, and उसमें से
8 to 10 hours.
least 5 hours are going to be
What's your
Insta.
screen time on phone?
8 to 10 hours.
Weekly,
4 hours 30 minutes maximum and average on an average 2 hours 45 minutes, not more.
my average is 8 to 9 hours. At least 7. 10 to 12.
5
18
hours.
hours. Yeah, I'm always on the phone. Wow, it's like really shocking.
18 hours.
I don't even sleep at times. I get up early, but every time when I'm like walking, talking, doing something, even in the kitchen, I'm at work, I'm somewhere in a meeting. Also, my phone, I see my hands, and it tells me that this today your screen time was this, and I'm like, yeah, shit.
How can you
I'm
prioritize
very
your
used
phone?
to it, you know.
When talking to somebody, I'm on phone. I'm even if I'm sitting with a couple of friends, I'm on phone because I'm into.
And that does not include the time you watch TV. Have you realized that?
Exactly.
Superhuman.
TV should also display that screen time to me. That how many times, but it is like my phone and my TV are like.
aligned all the time together. Yes, the next question. If your to-do list could talk, what would scream at you right now?
Can you please complete me ever? My do-
Same.
अब तो complete कर ले यार.
So, what's your classic procrastination move? Binge watch, fake planning, or just 5 more minutes nap?
Fake tanning and 5 more minutes nap.
Binge watch.
Both.
Fake planning. I'll clean my room. Then I'll do this. I'll make a to-do list. I'll see what I have to study, and then I'll study. And that point where I have to study never comes because I clean my room and then I get tired and I'm like, so ही जाते हैं यार अब तो.
It goes like कि you have an exam tomorrow. First of all, the most important thing is you have to eat something. So go eat something, okay? और इसके बाद कि you have to take your pet for a walk outside, okay? वो कर लिया. And then gym is also important. Gains नहीं रुकने चाहिए. फिर उसके बाद कि अब like 5 chapters are left. You have to do this, then this, then this, and that never happens.
Yeah, so it happens with me also. Like, I have a lot of pending tasks. Suppose I have to do this, I have to do that. But I keep one task which I'll be doing at the end, and that end never comes. Keep बाकी सारे काम हो जाते हैं, and that one is our remaining.
Yes.
So it happens.
Exactly.
So, which app is your biggest enemy?
As an engineer, it's Visual Studio Code.
What's that?
We do coding, Java, HTML, JavaScript, everything like that. It's a nightmare, I guess.
Instagram for me. Like
I can
Instagram distracts me a lot. Like if I'm studying and I'll listen to a song, like I'm scrolling a reel, I listen to a song and then I'll play the song and I'll start singing with it. So I'm just very much distracted with Instagram. So it's
So it is a distraction for you.
yeah, it is a
It
distraction.
is helpful also.
Yeah, it is helpful.
For me, isn't it gonna be either character AI or Wattpad?
Character AI? What is that?
Yeah, I feel like I'm the only one doing the weirdest shit ever. It's like
Yes, we are, but
it's like AI that is like designed to have a characteristics of a particular character, like a fictional character. So it's gonna be if I like a guy from an anime like Koji Satoru, give him an example.
Give me this app, please. I want
AI is gonna communicate in that scenario. Yeah, just as imagine that you love friends to enemy, your friends to lover, your enemies to lovers. So he's gonna talk us with me.
that is like a fantasy.
Yes, fantasies. Oh, okay.
Give us
I'll
that
try
up.
this.
Yeah.
Sure.
Character, yeah, okay.
Morning hustle or midnight panic? What's your productivity vibe?
Midnight panic.
I can see that. Yes.
Everybody on the same page? Yeah.
3 a.m.
For
3
sure.
a.m. 3 a.m.
Pick one, deadline in 3 hours with coffee or 3 weeks with no pressure.
3 weeks with no pressure.
Deadline in 3 hours with coffee.
Same deadline with coffee.
But why?
मजा
You
आएगा.
have no pressure.
Yeah, 3 hours is like फटाफट से करना पड़ेगा. The stress and the pressure मजा आएगा.
The thing is कि like even if we get 3 weeks to do the stuff, तो हम तब भी we'll do it on the last day.
तो बस 3 घंटे में prepare करना है दिखाना.
But
You
it
get that
depends on the-
satisfaction of the first day. Yeah, 3 हफ्ते बाद में करूँगी.
Yeah, so it is like if you finish it early, obviously, then there's no pressure until 3 hours only. And if you stretch it for 3 weeks, obviously, then you'll be like 3 weeks तक कोई pressure नहीं, and after that a lot of pressure.
Yes, I completed my work once, like before deadline, or I was in my like nani house, और वहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि I did all the work कि अब देखो this time I'll just like teachers will be shocked कि गर्वित का काम इतनी जल्दी कैसे हो गया, और हुआ क्या कि पता नहीं क्या हुआ, सारे काम पे पानी गिर गया. तो
जल्दी कर मिले.
but I never trusted this process. I was like okay, एक दिन पहले ही करते हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा.
So here we come to the end of Beyond the Classroom series for today, and I got to know that you guys procrastinate a lot. You have 3 a.m. scenes and you sleep like every time you sleep for procrastinating nights and a lot of things. So it was fun, and I loved connecting with you. I got to know a lot of things about you, how you procrastinate. But let's not do it in real life. And
We promise you we'll study today for our exam that is tomorrow.
and you'll not procrastinate.
Yes.
So, okay, that was a lovely session and had fun with you guys. So, see you in the next episode of Beyond the Classroom series by Chatkara University. Thank you.